Hyatt says, my wife came to the United States at January 21st, but she's still waiting for her green card. Any reason? I'm assuming so. I'm assuming your wife came after getting an immigrant visa approved. So when a green card marriage case happens and they go to the embassy and the embassy approves it, they come to the United States and the green card is supposed to come in the mail a few weeks later, along with a social security number, but it doesn't always work that way. Well, first of all, after your immigrant visa is approved at the embassy, there's a $220 fee that you have to pay the USCIS. And make sure you pay that before you enter the United States. If you pay it after you enter, there will be delays. Okay, that's first thing, pay that, and that's that. Secondly, sometimes it takes longer. I've seen cases where I had a guy came in on a green card lottery, diversity visa lottery. It took 10 months for him to get the green card. Very frustrating. But it happens. But first of all, yeah, you want to make sure you pay the fee. Secondly, make sure check the addresses you provided were correct. Third, contact USCIS, potentially talk with them, see what's going on. Fourth, maybe contact your congressperson. If need be, go to the Social Security office and get your Social Security number based on the immigrant visa stamp of your passport. You might have to haggle with them to get that. Not every person at the Social Security office understands that. But that green card stamp in your passport, the immigrant visa stamp, once you enter the United States, the border officer stamps on that. That is considered a green card and could be used as green card and proof of work authorization. You could travel with that for a year. So be mindful of that. Although the green card is not here, you can use that to travel just like a green card. Now, if they find a job, not every employer understands that, and that becomes a problem. But you could do that, and so it's something to be mindful for when these green cards have a delay to actually be shipped out and sent to you. So I see it, and it's very frustrating. I know sometimes you need to travel, but keep in mind, that the immigrant visa stamp on your passport is good for traveling, it's good for work. So that'll hold you over until they figure it out. A lot of times the post office loses it. And so the immigration department will say, well, we sent it, and the post office says we delivered it, and they didn't. But the immigration office will believe the post office. And so in those kind of cases, you have to, unfortunately, file Form I-90, ask for a renewal for a lost green card, and pay the filing fee, and then wait, 3, 6, 9 months for a new green card to be issued. So it sucks. But that's just something that happens. And I would say it happens 2 or 3% of the time.